we're here to pick the final winners for the Happy Hour Zeelee Pool. Reba, are you ready? We got 3 balls. First 2 balls win 20 Zeelees. So, catch a bug and we'll get a ball. Here she comes. And our first winner is number 5. Number 5 for 20 Zeelees for all her hard work. Okay, Reba, another 20 Zeelees. Go get a ball. That was quick. There, next one. Number 16. 20 Zeelees. And for her hard work. Okay, this last one is for 10 Zeelees. Ready, Reba? Get a ball. Okay. Number 25 for 10 Zeelees. For her hard work. Okay, Reba. Did a good job. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.